second leg from A Coruña to Camarinas, which is around the corner, and this is orca territory, so we're on orca watch. There's been a few sightings and I think there's been an interaction as well, so we've got to be careful of that. By A Coruña. It was a lovely place, and I had my first surf of the trip, which was very welcoming. All this about, I didn't know it rained in Spain. I didn't order this. Flying now, probably a third of the way today, round in the bend just about now. And this part of the coast is called Cote de Morte, which is the coast of death. Hopefully not today though. Right, we're approaching the entrance to where are we going? Camarinas Ria. Headland there, coming into Muxia, I think it is, that headland, and we're going in there, inside there for anchorage tonight, hopefully. All good. Just concentrating. Comes from that direction.
We ran the ups, we ran the downs, and you can smell the pine.
You can't smell the pine!
You can smell the pine.
It was actually eucalyptus, the smell, and there's loads of forests of them in this area of Galicia, right down to our next stop at Muros. Lovely smell as you enter. Camarinas, little beach here, sheltered from the wind, which was howling when we came in. First anchor in abroad, not only Spania. Morning. Next day after anchoring in Camarinas off this beach. So the anchor on down there, somewhere that way, to get pumped up in a minute, and probably that way to the harbour. Nearly there. What is it?
It's Friday the 6th of September. What's the time? It is around
8:15.
8:15 local time.
This is the other side of sailing, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the other side of sailing. This is the bit I like, when it's wet and horrible and it's a bit spooky and the windmills look like that.
Probably can't see him in there. Oh, you might be able to. Into your head. Right, we're approaching, it's quite a few miles away yet, but Cape Finisterre. Sunny Spain, sunny Spain.
Sunny Spain.
Just the other side of that mound is Muros, where we're off to, so we've got to go around this headland. Lovely mountain with woods or forests on it, looks really pretty. Lovely morning, Saturday the 6th, day after the wet sail, just drying everything out, but the sun's come out, it's so pretty. We're next to the fishing boats, that's not pretty, but very interesting. But lovely tree-lined hills and the town just there, and Ali's just been for some milk, and while we all wake up, sight for sore eyes after the long wet sail yesterday. That's the opposite side of the Ria to Muros. Found La Plage, lots or le prey in it in Spanish. Beautiful. How about it? Yeah, Kerno in the campsite. Kerno in the campsite. Where are we?
We are at some cathedral in Castello Santiago.
I do. But we think that there is actually a hotel.
Yeah.
Very posh. Look at that detail on that. Mental. Love it. Big square again. I've seen a few of these. Lovely big squares with very fine architecture. Right, so we've just been for a snorkel round the corner from where we are, Muros, because I'm stuck because the engines had trouble. And guess what we saw? Well, guess what Charlie spotted? An octopus.
Ah!
1,000 points for an octopus. Brilliant. Never seen one. Well, you see loads in the blinking cafes, don't you? All the legs. Pulpo, innit? And it's like dead sad because we like octopus. So we're just coming back a different way. We've got Cape Finisterre, which we sailed past when we came here, which is that headland in the distance. So the furthest one there in a sort of mist. Then this huge bay round to the corner. So we were snorkeling basically just over the other side of that ledge. This is the land of windmills as well, so you get that contrasted with all the windmills, which is amazing. Off for our daily snorkeling expedition. Nostalgically wise, it reminds me of the days with my dad. We used to go to Scotland and used to go down these little lanes and go for a snorkel and nobody around, and it was just us. Yeah, good days. Then we got a longboard out for a bit of exercise, just round the corner. Lovely. I had a wonderful time, only small but class, and we, say it quietly, might have saved an octopus's life. I paddled around the corner to see how she was doing, and she's there crying. I said, "What's up, what's up? There's an octopus in a trap." So I had a look round, there's no one there. Dove down and opened the trap to let it out. Save the octopus, yes. So that was our good deed for the day. Bit naughty, but good deed for the day. So she's just out here with there's another 4 surfers here. I had it all to myself earlier, it was class. And with a view like that, can't be bad. Might have to yeah, might have to have it as my home break. Move over here and have it as my home break. That'd be lovely, wouldn't it? I'm sure no one's interested, but it's my first day on my own. So I've been at the laundrette, so washed the towels, waiting for the mechanic for an update at lunchtime, and then I'm going to go for a walk, and I can walk as long and as far as I want because I'm on my own, so that'll be good. After a well-earned break, because I've been making access to the diesel tank for the engineers, or not engineers, what they call mechanics. I'm going to walk up the local hill in this gorgeous weather for a different view of the village stroke town. It's all worked out pretty good actually, because couldn't sail this next week because of the work, so we're having a city break. I'm meeting the wife, and then Bro and Sizzler coming over, and we're having a city break. So some things work out great, don't they? So I'm so looking forward to that, and that'll be my 60th birthday. So get in. Listen to the silence. No. Is it much further? How far is it? Just doesn't matter. Just keep walking. Here we are at the summit, and that there is the marina where my poorly boat is.